is our privilege to welcome Sri Dusi Surya Vijay Bharadwaj, founder of Lhasa Foundation and headmaster of Government School Srikakulam, as the guest of honor for our annual day. His life is a shining example of courage and service. Despite complete visual impairment, he rose through determination to become a respected educationist and motivational speaker, inspiring countless individuals with his words and deeds. He has dedicated his life to compassion and selfless service.
Very happy evening to all of you. Dear children, dear parents and the management, am I audible? Happy evening. I want answer from all the students here. Happy evening.
Happy evening, sir.
Sir, not in mic. I want answer from the students. Happy evening. Again, once again, happy evening. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. Happy evening. Love you all so much. Loving greetings to the St. Joseph family. Loving greetings to Sister Rose, who witnessed the gracious moment. The principal of the St. Joseph Convent, Sister Rajeshwari, as well as the correspondent, Sister Josephine Mary. Reverential salutations to all the dignitaries and the guest of honor, the Mandal Education Officer, Dr. P. Sujata. Dear parents and my dear children, life is very short. Children, answer me the question. Life is very short. We can make this so beautiful by just implementing the values in the day-to-day activity of our life. The life, the spell, if we spell the word life, it is L-I-F-E. The first important L is first love. Love your life, love your education, love your parents, love your teachers, love your city, love your surroundings, love the God, love it so that the 25% of your life is meaningful. The second letter in the word life stands I. I, the inspiration. Being an inspiring child, an inspiring parent, you can create a wonderful world. Just come out of the shell of the selfishness. All the time, all the ways, we have been only in the shell of my family, my children, my parent, my blah blah. Please come out of that shell. The world is waiting for your love. The world is waiting for your compassion. The world is waiting for your touch of that beautiful kindness. Just as a mark of your life, let this world be so much thrilled. Wow, what a human being and what an inspiring personality. The third important value which follows in the order of L-I-F-E is the F. The most important thing for the students. Students, I think that you people are not listening to me. You are not listening what I am saying. F, it is not failure. It is not failure. It is follow your conscience. Your master is your buddhi. Your master is your inner soul. Every time it will be saying what to do and what not to do. What to talk and what not to talk. Dear parents, be aware of the technology. which is very poisonous, which is very dangerous. We witness all sinful things, most painful things because of this technology. There is huge uses as well as a very huge damage by this technology. Hence, I do request everyone to follow your inner soul, to follow the guidelines of the God, to follow the teachings of the teachers, and to follow the valuable message of the parents, and to follow the love of our young kids. Lastly, but not the least, the E for experience. Experience the beautiful sweetness of this life. Experience that most valuable and meaningful, colorful life by just implementing love through your words, through your actions, through your listening, through your thoughts. Hence, what Mother Teresa said, it's not how much you give, but how much love you put into giving. It's not how many days or years we spend on this planet Earth, but with what thought and what sweetness of love, with what compassion and kindness that we have entered this world and we have been rendering for the fellow beings of a beautiful planet Earth. I see the brightest of light in this world with my inner heart. Truly I can say that I'm experiencing the sweetness of this world through love. Love your neighbor. Love your fellow beings. Show your compassion. Just be aware of jealous, anger, hatred, and all other bad elements which pollutes our day-to-day activity in our holy land of our heart. With these few words, I conclude and I thank the management, especially Sister Rose and Sister Rajeshwari and Josephine Mary, to have a presence in this glorious St. Joseph Garden. In my childhood, just listen to me very carefully. In my childhood, my biggest dream was to study in St. Joseph. My biggest dream was to study in St. Joseph. It was not happened, but with the mercy of the Lord, of the Jesus, it has happened that He made me stand here as a guest of honor to speak few words with my soul, with my heart. And I do conclude, parents andarki Telugulo rendu maatalu, తల్లిదండ్రులారా, జస్ట్ మీ పిల్లల్ని కేవలం డబ్బులు సంపాదించే యంత్రాలుగా కాకుండా అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రపంచ దీపాలలాగా, ప్రపంచ వెలుగులాగా తయారు చేయండి. మేక్ దెమ్ ద లైట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్. మేక్ దెమ్ ద, గట్టి చెప్పాలి, మేక్ చిల్డ్రన్ లైట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్ చెప్పాలి. మేక్ చిల్డ్రన్, అందరూ చెప్పాలి, మేక్ చిల్డ్రన్ లైట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్. మేక్ చిల్డ్రన్, పెద్దవాళ్ళు కూడా చెప్పాలి, మేక్ చిల్డ్రన్. Thank you and love you all so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable and inspiring message.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel.